بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أرأيت الذي يكذب بالدين فذلك الذي يدع اليتيم ولا يحض على طعام المسكين فويل للمصلين الذين هم عن صلاتهم ساهون الذين هم يراءون ويمنعون الماعون.
Surah Al-Maun. In the name of God, the most gracious, the ever merciful. Have you seen the person who denies the day of judgment? He it is who shoves the orphan and urges not the feeding of the poor. So, devastation is for these priests of the Baytullah who pray, being unmindful to the essence of their prayers. These who put up a pretentious display of worship and are not prepared to lend even ordinary items of common use to others.